Happy Halloween! Today I am going to make Frankenstein's monster. Let's get started. First, I am drawing the two squares and wavy line, and this is the stitches and two eyes and eye bags and the nose, and he has one tooth and ears. This is a screw on the head and big shoulder with the arm. Let's put hands and the jacket with the buttons, and he's wearing shorts. Let's give him shoes. Now it's coloring time. His hair is black, and also his pants are black, and buttons. Now I'm using green. He has green skin. And of course ears and hands and his legs. His jacket is purple. And his shoes are brown and screws are black. Now it's Playdoh time. Alright, I'm using green color. Green color, you will need yellow and blue mixed to make green. Push, push, push. One square. And I'm adding the forehead. Let's make it straight. Cut the side. And two balls push to make ears. And this is for his eye bags. And triangle for his nose. And for his chin. Next one is for his lip. And put the chin back. And push the stick in to make holes. And this is for his eyeballs. And two balls of blacks for his eyes. Let's place the forehead back on. This is for his lip and little tiny tooth. Making noodle to make stitches. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, Next one is for his hair. Push, push, push. Cut it on the side. And let's make wavy line with the wooden stick. Tap, tap, tap. This is for screws for his head. On both sides. Now this is for his pants. Let's make it straight. Now I'm using purple. To make purple color, you will need blue and red. This is for his jacket. Let's trim the side. And black buttons. This is for his shoulder. Tap, tap, tap. Let's use the wooden stick. Shoulder line and chop. The other side. Cut it off. One more. And let's make it straight. And shoulder line. Now green for his hands. Push, push. Use the stick to make fingers. One more side. These are for his legs. And brown color. Brown color you need red, yellow and black. Mix to make brown. Smooth out the clay under eyes and chin and ear. That's it. This is a Frankenstein's monster. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.